In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a yes-no dropdown in Google Sheets. Whether you're managing a project, organizing data, or simply keeping track of tasks, a dropdown list can simplify the process of data entry and make your spreadsheet easier to navigate. This will guide you through setting up a straightforward yes-no dropdown in Google Sheets, which is a useful tool in many scenarios. So let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is open up a Google Sheet where you'd like to create your dropdown. Once your sheet is open, you'll want to highlight the cells where you need this dropdown to appear. For this example, let's select cells B2 through B14. Simply click and drag from B2 to B14, and you'll see these cells become highlighted, indicating they are selected for your dropdown list. Next, move your attention to the top of the page where you see the menu options. Click on Data. A drop-down menu will appear. Within this menu, find the option labeled Data Validation and click on it. Data validation is what makes adding drop-down lists possible by setting rules for the data that can be entered into a specific cell. Once you've clicked Data Validation, a window will pop up. On this new screen, look for an option to add rule and select it. Adding a rule is crucial here because it will allow you to specify the entries you want in your drop-down list. Now you will need to specify the options for your drop-down. For option 1, type Yes. Then add another option and type No for the second choice. This is how you define what selections users can choose from in your drop-down list. It's just that simple. We can also spruce up the drop-down by selecting different colors for each option, which can help distinguish them visually. For the Yes option, choose a color that stands out, perhaps green. Similarly, pick a color for the No option, like red, which is often associated with stopping or negation. Color coding like this can make your sheet easier to read and more intuitive. After customizing your options, find the Done button and click on it to save your settings. This will apply your newly created Yes/No dropdown to the selected cells. Finally, go back to your spreadsheet and click on any of the highlighted cells within the range you selected earlier. You'll notice a small arrow indicating your newly made dropdown. Click on it to test the options by selecting either Yes or No. It's a quick check to ensure everything is functioning just how you want. And there you have it. You've successfully created a Yes/No dropdown in Google Sheets. This simple feature can vastly improve your data entry process, offering a clear and consistent way to manage information within your spreadsheet. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting.